fragrance brand I've always wanted to get into is Acqua di Parma, because they are a historic Italian niche fragrance brand, and I'm Italian, so obviously it's going to sell me. So, as the name implies, Acqua di Parma. Parma is a beautiful region of Italy. That is where Parmigiano cheese originated and where it's made the best. And they have a top flight Italian soccer club, and they have just amazing food in general there. A beautiful region of Italy, and that automatically is going to sell me because I am Italian. So, of course, I wanted to get my hands on this, and the first fragrance of them that I'm going to get my hands on here is Acqua di Parma Colonia. This is one of their first fragrances that they've released. And again, I think they were created in the early 1900s. So again, this is a very big staple in their collection of fragrances. So I got this because I saw it for $50 on Joma Shop. This is a tester, by the way, so this is the box that it came in. The Acqua di Parma boxes are pretty cool. They have a very distinct box system. It's not like a box shape, like it's kind of shaped kind of like this bottle here. And yeah, speaking of the bottle designs, very elegant bottle designs. They're very simple. Maybe you would think that there's more to be desired, considering that they're niche and they are decently expensive sometimes. I still think it's a very classy look. You know, this is like if you had to imagine a tuxedo in fragrance form, this is what it is. Okay, it's very nice. I love the Acqua di Parma text, the Colonia, and then the Acqua di Parma logo. It looks beautiful, it looks elegant. So now, what does it smell like? The thing you guys all want to know. Atomizer is very nice, by the way, and it smells amazing. I love this smell. It's a very, very elegant, fresh, beautiful summer and spring scent. So yeah, definitely summer and spring. What are the things you're going to smell with this one? Lemon and lavender and some aromas. That's really what you're smelling here, but mainly that lemon and lavender, and it smells awesome. Okay, it reminds me of an Italian form of ice cream called granita, and basically it kind of tastes like a lemon sorbet, but it's kind of like the texture of a snow cone because it's kind of got an icy texture. It's a very awesome thing that I ate a lot in Italy, and this is exactly what it smells like and exactly what it reminds me of. And it's a beautiful, beautiful smell. So it definitely has the profile of Italy in here, that's for sure. Makes sense. They are a hardcore Italian brand, so, and definitely you get that smell. Now, some people might think that this is like a old school scent, and yeah, it definitely is kind of an old school scent. It smells very classy. I could definitely see it again being called old school, but it still is youthful because the lemon just pops out so well, and it's so nice. It's so sweet. It's so nice. I love that lemon smell. Absolutely done beautifully. Love this scent. Now, the only big complaint I have with this one is that the longevity is not there. It lasts about 3 to 4 hours, which is sad because I love this scent so much. But yeah, the longevity is not there. The projection is alright. Now, as far as the scent goes though, it's beautiful. It's totally worth it. It's very unique. It's very fresh and obviously a DNA that anyone can get around, but it's still unique. I haven't quite smelled anything like this except for, as I said, the granita that I was talking about. So, very beautiful scent. I got a compliment from one of my best friends that I hang out with all the time. He never really mentions, I think outside of this, he's only mentioned smelling a cologne off of me like one time, and I think I was wearing Eros, and that's obviously a very strong scent, so most people are going to pick that up when you wear that. But with this, he actually said, "You smell goated." And so I was like, that's honestly the most goated compliment I could get coming from this guy. So absolutely amazing scent. Without further ado, let's look at the notes here. Alright, the notes for Acqua di Parma Colonia are Sicilian citruses, lavender, rosemary, lemon verbena, white musk, vetiver, Bulgarian rose, jasmine, sandalwood, patchouli, and amber. So really, if you're looking at it, you've got all the classic fragrance notes. These are just, this is like a compilation of like the top 10 fragrance notes of all time. Like this, like it's just all of these are in there, man. And it smells great. That's why it smells like a classic. This is an awesome scent, man. This is a really awesome scent. I think it's an awesome one to have in your collection. Now, I know Acqua di Parma's biggest point of fame is their Blue Mediterranean collection. A lot of their most famous scents are in that collection, so I'm definitely looking to probably getting a fragrance from that collection as my next Acqua di Parma fragrance. But I think this is an awesome starting point. Again, the price for $50 for this one, it's not bad at all. I think without that discount, it'd probably be 100, maybe 150. I don't really know, because these Acqua di Parmas, I think they usually go for the 100 range to like the 200 range. I think that's usually where they go at. But either way, for the price, $50 for this one, I think it's absolutely worth it. Very happy to have my first Acqua di Parma. There probably will definitely be more of these in the future. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And one more thing, I forgot if I mentioned it earlier in the video, but you guys want that Q&A video really bad. I appreciate you guys for that. I recorded it a second time and it still has not been working. I think it's due to storage, because these Q&A videos, the past 2 times I recorded it, it's always been coming out to like 20 minutes in length. So I got to figure out a way to get those videos out to you guys. So I'm sorry that I still haven't been able to get out a Q&A video, but at least I thought it's better to at least get, you know, another fragrance video in, and instead of just posting nothing until that Q&A. So I hope I can get you guys that Q&A soon. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.